How to fix ProMods ZIP error during mod installation. Welcome back to Teknobalta. Visual aesthetic, high contrast before slash after split screen. Left side crash. Dark, ominous red tones dominate the scene, depicting a frustrated character hunched over a keyboard. A prominent, modern Windows system error dialog box is centered on the screen. The dialog title reads, Archive Extraction Error. The main content displays, a ZIP archive corruption was detected or an unexpected error occurred during extraction. Error code 0x80004005. Source file, ProMods v268 part 01. Zip. Please verify file integrity. Text below gives options like retry, abort, and report. The overall lighting is dim, emphasizing the character's distress. Right side, fixed. Bright, vibrant green tones flood the scene. The character, now heroic and satisfied, smiles confidently, gesturing towards a flawlessly running Euro Truck Simulator 2 game on a large monitor. The game displays the expansive ProMods map, showcasing stunning detail and smooth performance. Professional, warm lighting highlights the character's relief and the vibrant game world, conveying a sense of success and resolution. Both sides are rendered in hyperrealistic 4K cinematic style. Today, we're diving deep into a prevalent and often perplexing issue encountered by Euro Truck Simulator 2 enthusiasts: the dreaded ProMods ZIP error during mod installation. This error, while seemingly generic, can stem from a multitude of underlying causes, ranging from file corruption to system misconfigurations, consistently halting your highly anticipated continental expansion. Our comprehensive guide will systematically dissect these potential pitfalls, providing you with a robust toolkit of solutions to ensure a seamless integration of the ProMods map into your gaming experience. Many users report spending hours troubleshooting what appears to be a simple archive extraction problem, only to discover a complex interplay of factors at play. Understanding the technical nuances behind ZIP file integrity, system resource allocation, and specific ProMods installation requirements is crucial for a successful resolution. We aim to transform your frustration into triumph, empowering you to conquer the vast, new European landscapes ProMods offers. Here are the definitive technical solutions to fix the ProMods ZIP error during mod installation. Verify complete download integrity. A common cause for ZIP errors is an incomplete or corrupted download of one or more ProMods archive parts. Ensure that all downloaded ZIP or 7Z files match the exact byte size specified on the ProMods download page, as even minor discrepancies can lead to extraction failures. Re-downloading any suspicious parts or utilizing a checksum verification utility, if available, is a critical first step. Utilize a robust archiving software. Standard Windows extractors can sometimes struggle with large, multi-part archives, especially those compressed with advanced algorithms. We highly recommend using professional-grade archiving tools like 7-Zip or WinRAR, known for their superior handling of complex archives and error resilience. Install the latest stable version of one of these applications for optimal performance. Temporarily disable antivirus/firewall. Security software can sometimes interpret large archive operations as suspicious activity, leading to file quarantine or extraction blocking. Temporarily disable your antivirus suite and firewall before attempting to extract the ProMods files. Then re-enable them immediately after successful installation. Remember to proceed with caution and only if you trust the source files. Ensure sufficient disk space. Extracting large mod files requires significantly more disk space than the compressed archive size itself, often 2 to 3 times the original. Verify that your target installation drive possesses ample free space, typically tens of gigabytes, to accommodate the full extracted ProMods directory. Insufficient space is a frequent, yet overlooked, cause of extraction failures. Run archiving software as administrator. File permission issues can prevent archiving software from creating or writing files to the desired directory, triggering an error. Always launch your chosen archiving tool, e.g., 7-zip WinRAR, with administrator privileges to ensure it has the necessary access to all file system locations. This elevates permissions, bypassing common access denied errors. Extract to a simple, short path. Very long file paths, or paths containing special characters, can occasionally cause issues with certain operating systems or archiving utilities. Extract the ProMods files to a simple, root-level directory like C/temp or D/mods first, then manually move them to their final game directory destination. This minimizes path-related conflicts during extraction. Verify all ProMods file parts are present. ProMods typically comes in multiple segmented archive files, e.g., ProMods v expart 01, zip part 02, zip, etc. Ensure that every single part, from the first to the last, is present in the same directory before attempting extraction. Missing even one part will invariably lead to a ZIP error during the decompression process. Match ProMods version to ETS2 game version. ProMods is highly version-dependent. An incompatibility between your Euro Truck Simulator 2 game version and the ProMods package can manifest as strange installation errors. Always cross-reference the required ETS2 version on the ProMods website with your game's current version, ensuring a perfect match before downloading. Outdated or future game versions will not work. Confirm all required DLCs are owned. ProMods often requires specific official ETS2 map DLCs to function correctly, such as Scandinavia going east, Vive la France, or Italia. The absence of even one required DLC, as listed on the ProMods compatibility page, can prevent proper mod installation or lead to in-game crashes, sometimes masquerading as a file integrity issue. Regenerate the ProMods DEF file. The ProMods DEF file, generated via their website, customizes various in-game settings. An incorrectly generated or corrupted DEF file, while not directly a ZIP error, can cause subsequent installation problems if it attempts to access non-existent assets. Revisit the ProMods website, meticulously select your preferences, and download a fresh DEF file. Check file permissions of extraction directory. Even when running as administrator, underlying NTFS permissions on a specific folder might be restrictive. Right-click the target extraction folder, go to Property Security, and ensure that your user account or the users group has full write and modify permissions. Incorrect permissions can block file creation. Scan disk for errors. Corrupted sectors or file system errors on your hard drive can physically damage downloaded files or prevent new ones from being written correctly during extraction. Run a chkdsk/f command on the drive where ProMods is stored and where it will be extracted, allowing Windows to repair any detected disk errors. Update archiving software to latest version. Outdated archiving software may lack support for newer compression algorithms or contain bugs that manifest during the extraction of large, complex archives. Ensure your 7-zip or WinRAR is updated to its very latest stable release, leveraging improved performance and bug fixes. Clear browser cache and re-download. If you experienced issues during the initial download, your browser's cache might hold a partial or corrupted version. Clear your browser's cache and cookies completely before attempting to re-download the ProMods files to ensure you're getting fresh data from the server. Consider using a different browser if problems persist. Use a download manager for large files. For large, multi-gigabyte downloads like ProMods, a dedicated download manager can significantly improve reliability. These tools often support pausing/resuming downloads and have better error recovery mechanisms, reducing the chance of corrupted or incomplete files compared to basic browser downloads. Ensure consistent file naming conventions. When downloading multiple parts, sometimes browsers or download managers append extra numbers or characters to file names. Ensure all ProMods archive parts follow the exact naming convention provided by ProMods, e.g., ProMods v expart 01, ZIP ProMods v expart 02, ZIP without any extra suffixes. Incorrect names can prevent proper multi-part extraction. Attempt extraction on a different drive. If all else fails, a persistent issue with your primary storage drive's controller or a specific partition could be the culprit. Try downloading and extracting the ProMods archives to an entirely different physical or logical drive on your system. This isolates potential hardware or specific drive partition issues. Consult the ProMods forum and community. If you've exhausted all these technical solutions, your specific error might be a known issue with the current ProMods version or have a unique solution documented by the community. Visit the official ProMods forums. A quick search or a detailed post outlining your troubleshooting steps can often yield a tailored fix from experienced users. We trust this comprehensive guide has equipped you with the necessary expertise to diagnose and resolve any ProMods ZIP error, paving the way for countless hours of immersive trucking across the meticulously crafted European continent. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more in-depth technical guides and solutions.